welcome back to Picture Us Rolling. It's only me today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I have an 11:30 appointment to get my nails done. I am doing, as you can tell by the title, McDonald's. Plus y'all say y'all want to see more of me. I hope this lighting helps. Hope it ain't too bright. I got something real simple. I got a caramel frappe. Bless this food in Jesus' name, amen. And I got a 10-piece nuggets. I didn't eat today, I'm hungry. I'm rushing too. Not good. That heat ain't playing, so that's not a good idea. Something about fresh hot fries. That's always good. I don't like cold fries or cold food. I like to eat my food as soon as I'm finished cooking while it's piping hot. That's how I like to eat my food. But this is so good. I better slow down, huh? It seems like y'all, from my angle, the lighting is horrible. But it is what it is, huh? It's so good. So, they rushed me in that dang on drive-thru so fast. I was like, looking like, wait, hold on, what? As soon as I gave the money to the man to pay for my food, it was time to go to the next window. And when I didn't even put my money up, he was handing me my bag and my drink. I'm like, hold on, can I put my money in my purse? But FYI, I hate drive-thrus, by the way. Hate it. But I go in them. I know we said we weren't gonna do McDonald's no more, huh? Surprise. Here we are. I want to say from Picture Us Rolling, we thank everybody for watching us. We appreciate it. We may not say it much, but I'm sorry, I'm looking at my face, y'all, looking at my skin. We appreciate every single one of you. We thank you for the thumbs up. We thank you for the views. We thank you for commenting, the negative and the bad. Some of y'all be coming. It's sad that y'all that cruel out here. People that darn doggone cruel. I guess you could say anything behind the screen, huh? Somebody didn't hear that. I said, I guess you could say anything behind the screen. Look at that. It got a little back. Okay. I see you, McDonald's. I hope y'all getting back to work. Some of y'all who was unemployed, I hope y'all getting back to work. And you teenage kids too, like 12th grade, 11th, 12th grade, go get a job. Go get a summer job this year. Make you some money. Or start your YouTube. I don't know, it's whatever you want. I do not know what time it is. My appointment is at 11:30. It's 11:27. But I'm right here in front of the place, so it's not like I have to drive to it. It's fresh too. Chicken nuggets, 2 sauce. Sweet and sour. So, I'm trying to think. Y'all, rushing in the heat ain't no joke. No joke at all. Here y'all go. You hear that crunch? It's good too. Some people say McDonald's nuggets not real meat. Whatever. Bless it and dress it. Pray over your stuff. Lord bless this food. They made it. Let me hurry up. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet. Go ahead. It's free to subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. We go live every Sunday around between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I may go ahead and insert me getting my nails done in this clip. Well, at the end. See y'all in the next video. Bye. Y'all, I'm never going back there again to get my nails done. I'm never going back. Like, look. Look how sloppy the work is done. Look how my hand look. Let me show you the other hand. Look. That's sloppy to me. Look at my hand. Look at all of that. Look how thick the nail look. It's supposed to be dip. Dip. You're supposed to dip my nail in the color. Bye, y'all.